Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make a ringtone on iPhone with GarageBand. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, make sure you have GarageBand installed on your iPhone. It's a free app, so if you don't already have it, open the App Store and download it before continuing. You can create a ringtone using a song that's already in your music app as long as it's locally synced and not from Apple Music. Alternatively, you can download a song or sound file and use that instead. If you want to download free music, a good option is a website called Pixabay, which offers a large library of free music. Simply visit pixabay.com, browse the music, preview a track, and if you like it, tap the download button. Once it's downloaded, you'll be ready to use it in GarageBand. After you've downloaded a song or chosen one from your music app, open GarageBand, tap the plus button in the top right, and then select Audio Recorder. You may need to swipe to find it. Once it opens, there are a few settings to adjust. Tap the button to the right of the record button so it turns white, which disables the metronome clicking sound. Next, tap the plus icon in the top right to open song sections. Then tap Section A, set it to automatic, and press Done at the top. Now, tap the icon in the top left that looks like broken lines to open the track view. In the top right, tap the loop icon. From here, you can add music from files or music. If you're using a file you downloaded, tap Files, browse your Files app, and select the song. Once it appears in the list, tap and hold it to add it to your project. After the song is added, tap it so it's highlighted. You'll see handles at the start and end of the clip. Drag these to adjust where the ringtone starts and ends. You can move the clip to begin from the middle of the song if you want, and shorten it to the exact length you prefer. You can always play it back to make sure it sounds right. When you're happy with the ringtone, tap the down arrow in the top left corner, and from here select My Songs. The project will save automatically, for it's saved as My Song too. Then tap and hold on the saved song, then choose Share from this menu. After that, select Ringtone. If GarageBand says the ringtone needs to be adjusted, tap Continue, and tap Export. Once the export is complete, close GarageBand and open your iPhone settings. Scroll down and go to Sounds and Haptics. From here, tap Ringtone. At the top of the list, you'll see your custom ringtone. Tap it to set it as your ringtone. That's it. You've successfully created and set a custom ringtone using GarageBand. So that's basically how you can make a ringtone on iPhone with GarageBand. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.